Hello everyone. Today's session is on quiz, multiple choice questions. All the questions are based on class 10 syllabus, section C, poetry. So let's start. Our first question is, who wrote the poem Dust of Snow? Dust of Snow कविता किसने लिखी? आपके ऑप्शंस हैं रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट, कैरोलिन वेल्स, लेस्ली नॉरिस. Right answer is Robert Frost. Question number 2. The way a crow shook down on me, from which poem this extract has been taken? यानी दी हुई पंक्तियाँ The way a crow shook down on me कौन सी कविता से ली गई हैं? बच्चों, extract means होता है निकालना या किसी चीज में से लेना. Options हैं fire and ice, fog, dust of snow. So, the right answer is dust of snow. Question number 3. Who wrote the poem A Tiger in the Zoo? A Tiger in the Zoo कविता किसने लिखी? Your choices are Robin Glenn, Leslie Norris, Robert Frost. Right answer is Leslie Norris. Let's move to the next question. But if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of hate. From which poem these lines have been taken? बच्चों, इसका अर्थ हुआ ये पंक्तियाँ कौन सी कविता से ली गई हैं? But if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of hate. Options are the trees, dust of snow, fire and ice. Right answer is fire and ice. जहाँ पोइट कहते हैं अगर पृथ्वी को 2 बार नष्ट होना है तो मैं सोचता हूँ कि घृणा भी इसके लिए बहुत है. Question number 5. He should be lurking in shadow, sliding through long grass. Who is the poet of these lines? इन पंक्तियों के कवि कौन हैं? बच्चों, I hope you are familiar with these lines. He should be lurking in shadow, sliding through long grass. Options are Robin Glenn, Edwin Rich, Leslie Norris. सही आंसर है लेस्ली नॉरिस. The lines are from A Tiger in the Zoo. Question number 6. Which poem is composed by Caroline Wells? कौन सी कविता कैरोलिन वेल्स द्वारा लिखी गई हैं? Options: How to Tell Wild Animals, The Tale of Custard the Dragon, Animals. Right answer is How to Tell Wild Animals. Next question. Question number 7. Which animal is not mentioned in the poem How to Tell Wild Animals? Means How to Tell Wild Animals कविता में कौन से जानवर के बारे में बात नहीं की गई है? बच्चों, ध्यान देंगे यहाँ पर not mentioned पूछा गया है. Means जिसके बारे में नहीं बताया गया. Options are bear, hyena, fox, lion. Right answer is fox. Question number 8. Merrily bouncing down the street and then merrily over, there it is in the water. From which poem these lines have been extracted? ये पंक्तियाँ कौन सी कविता से ली गई हैं? Options are The Ball Poem, Fog, The Trees, Amanda. सही उत्तर है The Ball Poem, written by John Berryman. Question number 9. And saved some part of a day I had ruled. Who said these lines? ये लाइन किसने कही? And saved some part of a day I had ruled. Options: John Berryman, Caroline Wells, Robert Frost. So the right answer is Robert Frost. And the last question of our session is, which bird is mentioned in the poem Dust of Snow? डस्ट ऑफ स्नो कविता में कौन से पक्षी का जिक्र है? स्पैरो, क्रो, स्काईलार्क, नन ऑफ द अबव. नन ऑफ द अबव मीन्स इनमें से कोई नहीं. राइट आंसर इज क्रो. सो दिस इज ऑल फॉर टुडे बच्चों. आई होप यू हैव एंजॉयड. थैंक यू.